Good morning, guys. I know y'all can't see much. Look at that beautiful sunrise coming. Here we go. We got the, oh, you can't see it. That's all right. Let the sun come up here. We're prepping the boats, getting Jeremy's kayak ready. You can't really see much. My boat's down there. I left my house at 3:30 this morning because we're doing some good bassing. We're planning some big fish. Today's my birthday, so I'm looking for a birthday bass. So we'll see you guys on the lake.
I'm Jeff Downey, and you're watching Northern California Fishermen.
All right, Grace, hooked up. There he is. There he is. There he is. So here we go. We finally made it down to the water. You guys gotta check out Jay's boat, man. Look at this baby. What? In-sea fishing? Trolling motor. Fish finder. This is not the video. I'll be testing out my DIY motor mount. We'll be doing that on another trip. Today, we're solely trying to get on the bass bite. We got some top waters still on. We got a popper. We got a craw, Texas rig craw, crappie rig. So yeah, I think today, with the conditions, it's gonna be a little cloudy. I think we're gonna be on a lot of like moving bait. Look at the carp over there just going nuts. Look at them all across the shore over there just going nuts. They're spawning, bro. Yeah, those are carp. Look at it. And it was that moment that my GoPro died. And I realized that I'm a rookie. Anyways, there was about 5 more crappie caught in a matter of like 10 minutes. All on a shad rat by Rapala. It was like a 3 to 5 foot diving suspended jerkbait. And that was a medium heavy action rod that I was using. Those are some crappies, man. But the rest of the footage is pretty cool. Sorry for the vagueness, but check out these bass. Alright guys, so might be hard to tell on camera, but pretty big swells on the main lake. So we're gonna go through this craziness, go under here, and there's the key, what's known as the keys back in this area. So it's real calm water. So that's pretty much our only chance. My GoPro's dead. It's dead, so yeah, I'm not gonna catch none of this, none of me paddling this for you guys, but should be fun. All right, so we're grinding it out. We're back here in the keys, and I got a very nice jig fish off the rock wall. Check that out, he inhaled it. So, pretty sweet. Been working hard for this one. Birthday fish right here, boys. Yeah. Well, God, I can't even, I'm shaking. I did it, boys. Here comes Jay. We're just gonna give you a second perspective, just a minute.
What up, everybody? Clear Lake 2020. Pre-spawn, look at the bloody tail.
Big old honker, dude. Let me get my jig out of his mouth. Oh, yes. Oh, baby.
Head on, face on with that one.
Look down that gullet, dude.
Boom.
All right, catch and release, everybody.
Just like that.
All right, so Jay pulled one out.
Boom, boom.
Beautiful fish.
Clean,
Beautiful.
clean.
He pulled it right off this little rock wall here.
Let it go, Jay.
Wait, you want a picture?
Oh, no, you can just...
Okay. Yeah, dude, good job. He worked hard for that fish today.
Yeah. I'm gonna get another one.
All right. Well, this is what we're taking off in. Really bad swells. Here comes Jeremy. Whoa! Send it, Jay. I'm taping you. Whoa! Whoa! You know what? I can't even do it. I got to paddle. Shoo! Oh, I'm going right into the rocks. All right, I gotta go. Well, I know that one was probably hard to watch, but thank you guys for tuning in. That was my birthday, and it was a bash. I had heck of fun. Put a trolling motor on your kayak. Wait for the video. I'll be doing that one next. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys on the water.